Everybody, and I mean everybody, wants to get out of their crappy job and live the dream life that they see on Instagram. All of my videos are based on things that I either see in the comments or that you guys DM me directly. And one of the biggest issues that people have is the fact that they don't have money to start trading. Spoiler alert, this is not a Forex strategy video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make some side hustle money so that you can start trading. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name's Artie, and this is The Moving Average, a show where we discuss everything day trading to keep you profitable on a consistent basis. I don't know if you guys realize this, but the channel has grown a lot, so my DM is completely full every single morning that I wake up. I read every single DM, I read every single YouTube comment, and I read the entire chat on the Discord group. I see where you guys are struggling and I base my videos on that. But one of the main struggles that I've been seeing recently is the fact that you guys don't have the money to actually start trading. And so a lot of you are still trading on demo. Even though you're profitable, you don't have the money to make a live account. Now, we live in the age of the internet, which is a beautiful, wonderful, magical time to live in. You can do anything from anywhere with an internet connection. You guys have probably seen my why video. If you have not, it's right here. But that entire concept of making money on the internet started with one book. I read that book and realized the potential of creating passive long-term income on the internet. So let me break down 3 amazing ways that you can make some extra cash on the internet outside of normal working hours. Like, you have a normal job, that's completely fine. You want to be a day trader, but you need extra income, but all of the income from your job is completely used for your daily expenses. This is the stuff that you're going to do after work, super early mornings, when your entire family's sleeping, and you have the drive and motivation to make a side hustle. If you live in America, you literally live in one of the best places on planet Earth to make money buying and selling stuff. I am blown away by the amount of gluttony and greed and the amount of stuff that people throw away and or give away for free because they want new stuff. And the fact that the financial demographic in America ranges from living under a bridge to a beach house in Malibu. So here's what you're gonna do. If you live in America, there's a website called Craigslist. On Craigslist, you can hop on there and you can search whatever you want. You can pick a category, you can pick a price range, anything. But the most amazing thing is Craigslist free. There's literally a category on Craigslist where if you click it, everything on there is free. It's people giving away stuff because they either don't want to go throw it away to the dump or they don't want to move it, like a couch or an old refrigerator. Literally, people are giving away $300–400 refrigerators for free on the internet because they're lazy. So what I want you to do is go on to Craigslist free, find bikes, couches, furniture, basically anything that anybody is giving away for free in your city. Go over there, pick it up, bring it home, polish it up so that it's nice and clean and you can take some amazing pictures of it and then sell it for $100 or $200 or $300, depending on how big or valuable that item is. Literally, this stream of income, all it takes from you is your time and effort. There's no money that you need to bring in. If you're completely flat broke, you can make money in America by doing this one thing. When I lived in the States, I did this constantly. I was a Lyft driver or an Uber driver, and I would drive around the city and I would see all of these listings for free stuff. If it was sitting out front of their house with a big free sign, I stuck it in my trunk and I sold it. I was a hustler and I needed to make some side income. I can guarantee you in a month of finding a bunch of free stuff and selling it for $50, $20, $100 a pop, at the end of the month, you could easily have $1,000. Now, the second best way to make money online ever is arbitrage. If you guys do not know what arbitrage is, the basic concept is finding a thing on one platform that is less than it is on another platform. For example, you could go to eBay and find like a tablet, like an iPad or the Samsung, whatever the hell. Find that exact same product on Amazon for more money and put it in that price category. So you can pick up that tablet for $120 and then you can sell it on Amazon for $160. But you're probably saying to yourself, well, I don't have $120 to buy that tablet and then sell it to somebody else. That's the beauty of the internet. you make a listing on Amazon for that exact same product at the price range that you want to sell it at, wait for an order to come in, and then go buy that thing from eBay with the money that you made from this and put the shipping address on eBay to the person that ordered it on Amazon. You literally don't have to touch anything or ship anything. Everything's included, and you just made money by selling off of one platform to a buyer on another platform. You don't believe that this will work? Go on those two and find the price differences between all of the products that you can think of, whether they're cell phones, laptops, clothes, shoes, anything. You can always find a price difference between two platforms. And it's not just two internet platforms. You can do the same thing with a retail store and the internet. If you live in a big city where you have lots of outlet malls or TJ Maxx, Ross, Marshalls, all of those stores where you can buy last season's clothing at a heck of a discount, you can take all of those things, purchase them, and then sell them online. This is the only one that actually requires you to have money to buy these things and then sell them. And if you're wondering what things sell the best, I can guarantee you 100% you go to the clothing section for men and women and buy everything Adidas or Nike. I mean, you can get a Nike sweater for like $25 and sell that Nike sweater for $50 on eBay or Amazon. Another thing that you could do, which I have personally done, is buy a ton of women's handbags. Michael Kors, Calvin Klein, any brand that is known that they have at Marshalls or TJ Maxx or Ross, you can get some of these purses for $79, $89, $99 and flip them for $200 or $300. Women's accessories, like the profit margin is endless on that. Dude, if you guys are struggling to make money, arbitrage is one of the most beautiful things that the internet has ever created. And the third and final way to make money on the internet takes a little bit of time for you to invest in yourself, but in the long term, it's one-time education for lifetime money. Throughout my years of existence, I have learned how to do many things very, very well. Editing videos is one of them. I've had people DM me asking if they can edit my videos to alleviate my schedule, but what they don't understand is the fact that I'm so good at editing, I can smash together edits in 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and it's fun for me. I actually like doing it. So what you can do is go on YouTube, watch a few tutorials on how to edit videos, then offer your video editing service to other people. You can do it on platforms like Fiverr and undercut everybody to make any type of family montage, travel vlog, whatever. You can put your services on Fiverr, show examples of what you've done by taking clips off of the internet, editing those together, and that's your portfolio. And if you're really, really lazy and you don't want to learn how to edit, but you still want to make this money online, what you can do is download any free software on your phone or your computer where the software takes 800 clips from somebody's family vacation, picks the highlights, smashes together some stock music, and boom, you have an edit that you didn't even have to edit. Then you send it to that person and they're happy as hell, because otherwise they would have been sitting on 3 or 4 hours of home video that they never mounted together to a nice edit, and now they can share that with their friends in a 35-second or 1-minute video that you created for them and they paid you for it. I made this video specifically for the 900,000 people that have DM'd me asking how they can make some extra money so that they can start trading. Because most people think that getting the skills to be a trader is the first step. That may be true, but if you have no money to invest in your day trading, it's not going to get you anywhere. So I hope you guys really found this video helpful. I hope it gets you guys out of your crappy job eventually and into being a full-time trader. Now, what I'd like to know from you guys is if you like this style or format of videos. I have a lot of life experience and I can show you a lot of things. So if you want a little, maybe like once a week life coaching material, leave it in the comment section down below. And if you already know all this information that I just told you and you want to get straight into trading, check out this video right here that I did that breaks down pretty much my entire strategy from start to finish, from open to close of a position, and how I trade the market. And if you guys got some value out of this video and you like the way that I teach, click this button right here to subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.